Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your device is ready. You're on an iPhone, iPad, or Mac signed into your Apple ID. This matters because SharePlay ties to accounts. Once done, open Settings on iPhone or iPad or System Settings on Mac. Don't wander into apps yet. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active so settings display correctly. Now head to FaceTime. That's where SharePlay controls live. This immediate step gets you to the right control panel fast. In FaceTime settings, you'll find the SharePlay option. Tap it. Turn off the SharePlay toggle to prevent participants from starting synced playback during calls. Once toggled off, you will still be able to share your screen manually, so check screen sharing permissions for specific apps, limit apps that can present. Make sure to confirm the change by exiting and reopening FaceTime. Settings sometimes need a quick refresh. If you manage a family account, repeat this on each family member's device to fully disable. Finish by restarting your device so the new preference propagates across system services. A restart often resolves lingering session states. If SharePlay still appears active, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. That forces account flags to refresh. Also open Apple TV, Music, and any third-party apps that previously used SharePlay and verify they don't have independent sharing toggles. Troubleshooting tip. If a contact still initiates SharePlay, have them update and restart. The issue is often on the other end.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.